There you go, and I'm just getting my bicycle ready for my solo unsupported circumnavigation around Australia. This is my Surly Ogre bicycle with a Brook saddle. So I start on Thursday, on the 1st I head to Canberra, start the War Memorial, head east to the coast, then I'll head south down to Victoria, Tasmania, back to Victoria, Great Ocean Road to Adelaide, to Perth, up to Broome, back to the east coast, and then back south down the coast, mainly following the coastline. Anyway, follow me for more on Lostdigger. I will be updating my channel with a video every 7 to 10 days. Hope you enjoy, and good cycling to you. Started my journey, just about to rent a car from this place, go to Canberra with my bicycle. There we go. Upgraded to Toyota Land Cruiser with another $250 off for a veterans card. There she is, good to go. Okay, this is all the stuff I'm taking. I've got to put that into a car, right? So that's all my equipment for cycling around Australia. All that into here. And this is what I have left over from all my equipment. So I got to put this into there, drop it off at Uncle Phil's house for storage. Right, let's do that. Ready to go. Let's do this. Just on the Melbourne highway, heading to Seymour. Second last leg of my journey before I cycle around Australia.
Thank you. Yeah. 136 on free drive to POW, what calls are you? If you're weary about your mechanics, I want to hear from you. If you're right about
Okay, I'm all checking into my Dina service apartment, Airbnb, in 104. I already brought my bike and all my bags up. Okay, I've checked into my Airbnb in Canberra. Got my bicycle up here. Got my bags, everything I'm taking. Over the next couple of days, I'll be going through my gear for the 20th time. Anyway, I'm here in Canberra. The start of my journey around Australia, circumnavigating Australia. Like and subscribe, give me a comment. If on my journey you want me to visit someone, let me know. I'll be going from Canberra to Bateman's Bay south towards Melbourne. Then once I get to Melbourne, I go to Canberra, I go to Tasmania on the ferry. Then I come back once I've finished. Then from Geelong to South Australia on the Great Ocean Road. Follow the Great Ocean Road as far as possible. Adelaide, then from Adelaide, Ceduna to Nullabour, across Nullabour, down to Albany, and then up the coast to Perth, from Perth to Broome, and Broome across to either Cairns or Townsville, and then Townsville down through Sydney, back through Bateman's Bay, then back to Canberra It's going to take probably 5 to 7 months. I may have to wait for a month in Perth. If I do, I'll either go to Europe, or I'll go to Southeast Asia, where I'm committed to a couple of businesses over there, buying it for a charity organisation where I fund the business. Anyway, just a quick look at my bike. I'll give you a more in-depth look on another video. All right, I'm in my apartment and good to go. Enjoy.